I'm a single mama, you better shout us out.
It was a star-studded event on Monday night as stars made their way down the black carpet at the LA premiere of Tyler Perry's The Single Moms Club.
One of us will watch the kids while the other four go out and have a good time.
Strip club, make it rain.
In a refreshing twist during the carpet, Hip Hollywood caught up with some of the stars who gave authentic praise to hardworking single moms. And for some of them, that meant giving themselves a pat on the back.
Right now, I only have one son, he's 22 months old, but I got to play a mom to 5 kids, and that was insane, and I have friends who are single moms to like 4 kids, and I had to call all of them and say, girl, I am so sorry if I ever said I couldn't babysit, because that is some serious work you're putting in. I think single moms should be applauded.
I think this movie is so relevant because the divorce rate is so high and because there are so many single parents, not just single moms. So I think this is a very important subject matter, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
Wow, the single moms. I don't know that any of us are single, even if we're single, because we have such great support groups. A group of girlfriends, that's what it's all about. We come together and we raise our children.
Lewis, who is known as Hollywood's favorite TV mom, also gave us a little teaser for what fans can expect in her forthcoming film, Think Like a Man 2.
And a lot more action is going on. I'm actually the protagonist in this movie, in this sequel, because Mama don't play. And there's a great scene in there. Think Like a Man 2 is really going to go through the roof.
The Single Moms Club hits theaters on March 14th. For HipHollywood.com, I'm Ashley Williams.